what are we doing today?
We're going to make cake for Mommy because it's Mommy's birthday today.
Whoa, a cake for Mommy because it's our birthday. So here's what we're doing. Betty Crocker super moist triple chocolate fudge cake. And we got all of our ingredients we needed.
Yeah, to make the cake. Also eggs.
Yeah, so those are the eggs. And so what do we got here?
Water.
Yeah, we needed 1 cup and 1/4 cup of water. So I just did it out easy, so there you go. And we needed 1 cup of vegetable oil.
That's for major apple. That is for major apple. I will use that for major because that's for teacher. That's for bed people.
Well, I think we can just use this one, I think. Because that one, actually you need a machine to use this one. I mean, I guess whatever, we'll figure it out together. All right, you ready to start? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grease the pan. So just going to put a tiny bit, a little vegetable oil in here. All right, yeah, spread that all around on the sides and on the bottom. Get it real good. And also we got the oven preheating. We need to be 350 degrees. What is that like? Is that kind of like your paintings? Alright, so now let's get the big bowl. Let's see what it says. It says heat to 350 for the oven. We got that. And now we get to mix stuff. So we gotta mix the cake mix, water, oil, and eggs. So we're gonna put them all in here in this big bowl we got here.
First it's egg.
Well, we can do eggs first if you want to. It's up to you.
I want cake.
Yeah, we're gonna mix them all up so it doesn't matter what all we do. Hey, do you know how to do that?
That time I do I do it.
Okay, well you go for it. What if a chicken pops out of there?
You silly.
Oh! Don't get the shells in there. I don't want to eat shells.
It's just like macaroni.
Macaroni?
Yeah.
I don't look like any macaroni I've had. Is that what macaroni looks like when you fix it? Okay. Yeah, let me...
Time to wash the hands.
Okay, you go and wash the hands. Go ahead. And Daddy will go ahead and get these other 2. That was pretty good. Daddy's not good at it either. Alright. There's 2. Do you want to do the last one?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll wait on you then.
What?
Look, the key is to try to tap it right in the middle and then you can split it in half, okay?
It's gonna go in your hands.
Yeah, it might go on your hands. That's okay. We're here to get messy. You're gonna have to hit it a little bit harder. Hey, look, turn it around the long way so it kind of gets right in the middle there. Hit it kind of hard. Harder. Harder. There you go. It's cracking, I see it. Oh! Oh!
Oh my goodness! I mean, that is
Okay. Alright. So there's the eggs. Now you can grab the water. Now be careful with the water because...
That's the water?
Yeah, so that's water. So you can put that in there.
Really? Too much?
No, we're gonna pour it all in there. Pour it all. You can just dump it. Alright. Oh, we got a lot of mix. Okay, you do that.
I know why you got some paper in there. I know why you eat paper.
Okay, well, we won't eat the paper then. We'll be sure to just get all chocolate out. This is, what was this again? Triple chocolate fudge. This is a lot of chocolate.
There's all that inside.
Yeah. Okay, so there's that. So that leaves, we still got one more thing of water. So grab this big one of water. Do you need help with it? It's kind of heavy. There we go.
Put them all in there.
Okay, and then we got one big thing of oil. Can you reach it? Good job.
Now time to mix it up.
Yep. So grab your mixer. You still gonna go for that mixer, huh? All right, well go ahead and start it. Daddy will come in and help you because it'll probably get thick. And when it gets thick, it gets harder to do.
Wow.
It's already looking good, ain't it?
Yeah.
So this is for Mommy's birthday, huh?
Yeah, when it's done, we're going to put the candle. When it's done, to turn.
Oh, you've already got the plan in place, huh?
Yep.
Make the cake, put the candles in it, and then what do we do?
Sing happy birthday.
Okay, so we bake the cake, we put the candles in, we sing happy birthday, then what do we do?
Say happy birthday.
Well, we've already sang happy birthday, then what? Then you get to eat it, right?
Yep.
Are you excited to eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the oven's going off. That means it's ready. It's ready for the cake.
It has to be so fast.
Oh, it's getting thick. It's getting harder
Yeah.
to mix up.
Uh-oh.
Your hand's getting tired?
No.
Okay. You're strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy said don't eat eggs.
Yeah, you're not supposed to eat raw eggs, but when I was little, I used to eat raw eggs because this stuff actually tastes really good. But don't do it at home, kids.
It might give you boo-boo tummy.
It might. We don't want boo-boo tummy. We just want to enjoy this yummy cake.
I was young.
Oh, you got chocolate on my hand. No, quit it! Quit it! Stop! I'm gonna dump it on your head.
No, don't do it. I don't want to arrange Mommy my birthday cake.
Okay, we're almost done, and then we gotta pour it in the pan. All right, so we're gonna pour it in this pan. Yummy.
I'm doing it.
All right, so we got about 5 minutes to go. We got it in here about 25 minutes. Here's your back.
Let me see. It's about to be ready.
Okay, we're about to see if it's ready. Oh, I see. Oh, it's getting. The camera. The camera. Okay, there we go. Focus. Oh yeah, it's rising good. So we got about 5 more minutes. Are you excited?
It's Mommy birthday.
Silly.
The cake is ready, Ted.
All right, let's get the next step in, which is to put the icing on.
I will put it.
All right. Let me open it. Ooh, chocolate on chocolate, chocolate on chocolate. All right. Look at that.
I like the banana. I like it.
There we go. Smooth it out. Is that good?
Yeah.
I think you're cheating. We're not supposed to eat it until it's ready.
But I eat the banana.
Alexandria.
This looks really pretty. That is your side. That is my side.
Okay.
paint mine first.
I think this looks pretty good. This is mine and your first cake to make together.
Yep. Now
You think it's gonna taste as good as what it looks?
Yeah.
Alright.
Later you will do the other one, Daddy. For now I'm going to do mine. When I finish mine, wow, there's so many candles.
Yeah, there's so many because Mommy's so old. We had to get a bunch of candles. Alright.
I made a family birthday cake. Oh, I see there's some and the banana.
Why are you calling it an umbrella?
I don't know how to say that yet.
It's a container. It's the icing container. Whoop. You think the fire will burn it if it has chocolate? I don't know. We'll see. Look at Mommy. Tell her I've got a surprise.
First you have to turn on the lights. And the lights.
Do I have to close my eyes? I have to close my eyes or no?
You have to close your eyes.
Thank you! It looks good!
Wow.
Wow, so many! How many candles are there?
32.
Huh? Sure?
You're 32. Yeah.
Oh my, it's a lot! Okay, let's blow, Alexandra. Okay.
Alright, y'all blow it.
Oh, we'll sing first!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Alright, y'all blow them out
Okay,
before they all
blow,
melt.
One, let's blow together, okay? 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow! Yay!
Yay!
Time to eat now. There's baby Adrian. Adrian. Yeah, there's so many candles. We're gonna be eating wax, it looks like, because some of them melted.
No, we'll take it out from there.
All right.
Let's scoop the icing.
We'll say see you later.
See you later, Ted. We're going to eat it right now.
Bye.
Bye.